Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Brea. Today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine using all RODAN+FIELDS products. As you can see, my pores are a little bit inflamed. I've got some scarring on my cheeks, so this time I'm really focusing on getting rid of all of that. So first I'm going to go in with my makeup remover, and I'm going to use a cotton pad, and I'm going to just go all over my face really quickly, taking off all excess dirt and makeup. As you can see, it gets a little gross because there's a lot of extra dirt and stuff on my face that I needed to take off from the night before. So then I'm going to go in with my number one, which is a deep exfoliating matte face wash. And this does have exfoliating beads, so it will exfoliate your pores. It feels like kind of scratchy when you put it on. I really like the way it feels, though. It doesn't hurt or anything. Then you're going to go in with a warm wash rag and just wipe your face down. Try to be careful, don't pull on your skin. Then I'm going to dry it just by fanning my face, or you can pat it down, but I just didn't have a dry towel around me. As you can see, there's more redness around my pores. My nose is getting red, but that's good. That means that it's working. Next, I'm going to go in with a toner, skin lightening toner, and I'm going to once again put it all over a cotton square. And then I'm going to pat that all over my face, and this helps with toning. It helps with making you have an even complexion. As you can see, it's going to make my face extremely red, which is kind of what it always does, I've noticed. Next, you're going to go in with a number 3, which is the skin lightening treatment. So this is like the medicine. Dime size amount on my fingers, and I'm just going to go all over my face, trying to rub upwards and not downwards so that my face doesn't start to sag. That's what my mom always used to tell me anyways. Then I'm going to go in with number 4, which is SPF sunscreen, SPF 50. It's dime size amount all over my face. I only use sunscreen during the day, during my morning routine, not nighttime. Then I'm going to go in with my active serum, and I'm going to put that on my neck, rubbing upwards, never down, on my cheeks, on my eyes, on the rest of my face, and as you can see, I'm done. And now I'm going to put on my lip renewing serum. These come in like little balls, and you just have to tear them open and put it on your lips. I usually only put on a little bit, like maybe half of what is in there, because it's extremely concentrated. And there you have it.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video about my skincare routine. This is all using RODAN+FIELDS, as I mentioned during the video. To purchase some of their products, click the link down below to buy it from my mom, who's actually a representative of them. I really love their products. They really have helped my skin. They've helped even it out. This one that I'm using is called Reverse, and so it helps reverse like bad skin and like fading, and like also helps get rid of acne scars. So I've got some scars, but I used to be way worse. Like, my skin has improved so much. I love all their products. I definitely recommend. This video is in collaboration with my girl Cindy Hydes. I will link her down below. She's this great girl, and she also has a really great video about her skin, her dry skin. This one, mine is more normal to dry skin, but she's got a great product using some more like drugstore items on her channel, so definitely go and check that out and like and subscribe, because she's awesome. All her content is really incredible. As for me, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that you never miss an update. I upload on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and keep your eye out for some really cool content that's coming up. I'm thinking of doing some challenges and stuff. Also, I really want to do a 100 subscribers giveaway. If we can get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you guys and give you a really great prize that I'm going to come up with, full of like skincare goodies, makeup goodies, beauty goodies, just to say thank you for giving me 100 subscribers. So if we can get to that, I promise to do a giveaway with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!